Take 3 deep breaths. And visualize your heart chakra. हरे रंग का 10 पेटल का वायु तत्व से ओतप्रोत. Just visualize. And focusing at the center of your heart chakra, chant Yam. 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 Feel the increasing vibrations of your heart chakra. And now focus on all the people you love. Your parents, your spouse, your children, your siblings, your friends, your neighbors, your business partners, your staff, your colleagues, your subordinates, all the people whom you love and your life depend upon. This is actually your soul group. पता नहीं कितने जन्म आपने साथ में लिए हैं और पता नहीं कितने लेते जाएंगे. And today, take this as an opportunity to send each one of your soul group unconditional love. सबसे पहले अपने सोल ग्रुप को याद करके जिसने आपके लिए जो भी अच्छा किया है उसके लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड दें. रिमेंबर, कोई भी बाय द वे आपके लिए कुछ नहीं करता. हर इंसान आउट ऑफ द वे जाकर ही आपके लिए सब कुछ करता है. So it is important that we should thank them, have gratitude towards them for each and everything they have done for us. And now, अगर किसी ने आपका दिल दुखाया है, जाने अनजाने आपको हर्ट किया है, तो उसे फॉरगिव करें. क्षमा वीरस्य भूषणम. Forgive all those in your soul group जिन्होंने आपको हर्ट किया है. And thank them कि उनके कारण आप और स्ट्रॉन्ग बन सके. उनके कारण आप तप कर सोना बन सके. आज आप जो भी हो वो उनके कारण हो। एंड नाउ, अगर आपने जाने अनजाने में किसी का दिल दुखाया है तो सीक फॉरगिवनेस। Seek forgiveness. It is very important to close all the karmic transactions. So give forgiveness and seek forgiveness. And now feel the love flowing out from your heart chakra. No expectations. Accept each one of your soul group the way they are. They are all here to experience their life and to add to your experiences. So just accept them the way they are. Drop all your expectations. And with your heart oozing with love, just send unconditional love to each one of them. Feel the love flowing from your heart chakra to all your loved ones. And just tell them, I love you because I love you. I love you because I love you. I love you because I love you. And with your heart filled with love, gratitude, and forgiveness, slowly come back into your body. Rub your palms, put it on your eyes, and with a heart oozing with unconditional love, slowly open your eyes.